Hi ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Can you tell me your full name?
My name is Pemba Shrishta. In short, you can call me Pemba.
Pemba, where are you from?
I am from Kathmandu and it is the capital city of Nepal. But currently I am residing in Thalko.
Do you work or are you a student now?
I just finished my high school and currently I am practicing IELTS class.
Okay. What is your favorite leisure activity?
My favorite leisure activities, to be honest, that's like sleeping in the room and playing mobile games. And sometimes I like to sing and dance during that leisure period to refresh my mind.
What did you enjoy doing in your free time as a child?
During my free time, as a child, I used to go to my peers' home to play some toys with them, and we used to go to the park that was near our house, and we used to play swing and slides at there, and used to come home very late, and at that time, my mom used to scold me.
Okay. Do you prefer to spend your free time with other people or alone?
As I'm an introvert, I usually like to spend my alone time spending in the room, listening to the music and playing mobile games. But sometimes I do hang out with my friends, but not usually.
What is a common leisure activity in your country?
In my country, people spend their free time by playing games, as it is very beneficial for our health. And but some people do spend their time home alone, listening to music, refreshing their mind, and yeah, that.
Do most people in your country get 2 days off a week?
Oh no, that's not. But some private work office do give them holiday for Sunday and Saturday, but usually not everyone get holiday twice a week.
And is it important to get leisure time or holiday?
Of course, yes, that's very important for our health too, because many people will be like focusing too much on their work, and for when they get free time, they can spend their time with their friends and having great time with family. So leisure time is very important.
Let's talk about music now. Do you like music?
I'm a great music lover and I love listening to different kinds of music.
What's your favorite type of music?
Usually I do listen to every kind of song, but I like listening to old pop song, and romantic song.
And can you also sing?
I do. I can sing when I'm alone in house, but I cannot sing when people are around me. I usually get nervous when I try to sing when people ask me to.
If you could learn a musical instrument, what would it be?
I have seen many people playing guitar, and I always appreciate that. But whenever I try to like play that guitar, I never can. But in future, I wish to learn playing guitar.
Do you think music is important?
Of course, yes. Music is very important because when some people are having a mental breakdown, and listening to music heal them, and when there are many different kind of music which are related to people's lives, so yeah, it is very important for.
Thank you so much. Now let's move on to part 2 of the speaking test. For part 2, I'll be giving you a topic. The topic is you'll have to describe a song you like. Here is a piece of paper and a pencil, and this is your cue card. You'll be getting 1 minute to prepare some notes. So if you want, you could prepare some notes. Do you understand it?
Yes.
Please start making. Now you can stop and start talking for 2 minutes. Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Please start speaking.
As a huge Taylor Swift fan, I always listen to her many. I have always listened to her many songs, but my one of the favorite is like "You Belong with Me," and it is kind of romantic, and of song that wants to express her love to her loved one, and she wasn't able to express that love. And I heard this song when I was in school time, and it was our leisure period, and my friends were having so much fun about listening to that song. And I asked them what was that song, and they recommended me to listen that. And after listening that, it was kind of cool that one girl was a normal girl and another was like popular girl, and there was a guy, and she wanted to express her love for him, and at last she was able to express her love. And I like listening to this song because I have created many memories with this song, because I have listened to this song with my friends and family, like everywhere. So I love listening to this song. And this song is also kind of like inspiration that we should not hide what we think about someone inside. We should express that. And with this song, like it is very entertaining song. Like you can vibe with this song and dance. Like it is very entertaining with this song. So I really love this song.
Okay, thank you so much. And how often do you listen to this song these days?
I always listen to this song whenever I'm at home.
Okay, now let's move on to part 3 of the speaking test. Do you believe everything you read in the newspaper?
Um, Usually I don't believe what it is written in newspaper, because the news reporter has one point of view and the other doesn't have. Like we have to go through the reality, not what is in the news. But many people does believe that, and like they start like saying everyone that it was written in news, but we won't be able to know that what was the reality. So usually I don't believe in news, but I do believe some of the news. And
Okay, how do most people get their news in your country?
in my country, people get news through the television and newspaper. But to be honest, in our society, news like spread like in 1 second. Like if anyone tells someone that what happened,
Yes.
and she will quickly tell everyone that what happened about that situation, and everyone will know about that news. And I think people know news from television, newspaper, and from the people of the society. But nowadays, like teenagers usually get news from mobile phones. Like everyone are hanging in their phone 24/7. So most of the people get news from mobile.
And how do you think people will get their news in the future?
I think in the future there will be like big television in the road, and they might be able to hear the news from there. But I think mobile phone will be the biggest form of like form to from sorry uh, form to get news, because it will be used in future. And currently people are engaged in mobile phone, but future I think more people will be engaged in mobile phone, and they will get more news from social media. So I think mobile phone will be the like form of news.
And do you think TV influences the way we think?
Mm, I don't think that TV influence people, because nowadays most people doesn't watch television, and but old people does get influenced by TV, because they believe in what people are saying, and they watch television most nowadays. So old people does get influenced by the TV, but like teenagers won't get influenced, and they will be influenced by mobile phones. So I don't think most people get influenced by TV.
Okay. Are all people on TV famous?
Mm, Not in my country. Uh, some of them are famous, like they are great celebrity, but some are just starting their career, and if they have just started like their uh, serial, so most of them aren't famous. But old people does know them because old people are the one who watch TV more. But TV uh, people are one.
Okay. And do you think famous people especially have a responsibility to act as a role models for younger generation?
Yeah, I do think because nowadays younger people listen to popular people instead of their parents, and they are the great influencer because teenagers do whatever popular people do because they want to make trend like what they do, they copy everything. So if popular people do some great job, they will learn from them and they think that they should do same as they have done. So I think popular people influence the children.
Thank you so much, Bimba. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.
Thank you.